hairstyle on the miss hair, isn't it? Okay, now you be a good girl. Good morning, good afternoon, and a good evening from wherever you're watching us from. My name is Toddler Happy, and you're welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm back again with my baby girl with a very simple braiding hairstyle. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Kindly don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and give the video a thumbs up so it can reach so many viewers. So as usual, I'll be using some water and oil to make baby's hair moisturized and thus soft to work with. After that, I will do the parting. The braiding hair that I used is called Box, and it has two colors, brown at the top and pink at the bottom, and it's meant for kids. I loved the texture of the braiding hair because it was so smooth and very easy to work with. So the braiding process begins as shown in the video. This is how I get to part the braiding hair, like one side is usually bigger than the other side. You crisscross them and voila, your braid is ready. I did this size because kids get tired pretty fast, so I also wanted something that would not take so much time. I didn't go for a bigger size because I wanted something that would give her service, and also I didn't go for something so small because first of all it would take so much time, and also I didn't want to have a hard time while I'm doing the hair, so this was just the perfect size. At first, the baby was so cooperative, I was even surprised. She even seemed to like her new hair because she was even playing with it. Something that I also noted while plaiting her hair is that it came out neater when I plaited the hair first, then added the braiding hair, rather than using the braiding hair like from the beginning.
Somewhere and dyed my hair now. Wanna be alone. It's much to bear and you don't care, and I won't play alone. I got you in my sight. I keep all the words you said to me. I get you.
A few minutes into the braiding process and the baby fell asleep. This made my work easier and faster.
Now you beg me please. Now I stay away, you were never meant to save me. Now I stay away, I don't hear you say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you.
A few tips on working with kids. You can put their favorite cartoon, which you can also sing along. Remember, if you're active, the baby also stays active. Secondly, you can give them some of their favorite toys that they can use to play with, but mostly they'll just want to play around with the things that you're using. So just ensure they're clean and also big enough to avoid choking hazards. Third, Ensure that you're always in control. Tell them what to do. Fourth, if need be, you can give them rest from time to time. Depending on how your child behaves or reacts, you are the one who will know what to do. So after a few hours, this was the outcome. I was so happy, but the baby was even happier and enjoying her new hairstyle. For the next step, I wanted to curl the ends so that they would be neat as well. So I parted her hair into this pussycat style, and this made the process very easy. I will be using rollers and some hot water for this process. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. Kindly parents, be cautious. This will be a very risky process, so you need to ensure that first of all, you have covered the baby very well. Hold on to the water well so that in case the baby hits it, it doesn't pour down or burn you or her. After dipping her hair into the hot water, kindly ensure that the part with the rollers is well submerged inside the water. Wait for some time and then slowly and carefully remove the hair from the water and gently press with a towel to remove excess hot water. Also remember to put a towel or a piece of cloth around the neck or ear area, because the hair around that part is most likely hot at this point and you don't want to burn the baby. Repeat the same process for the other side as well. I tied her hair at the back so that as she plays, she wouldn't interfere with the rollers. And after a few hours, it was finally time to unravel. In the morning, I see your lovely face. Just as I expected, some of the rollers were already missing. Take a look at how beautiful they are. I was so amazed and I loved the outcome. At this point, you can choose to add some accessories to make the look more interesting, though it's optional. Another tip also, when working with toddlers, try as much to use lightweight hair and accessories. This makes the process even more enjoyable. At this point, I'll let you watch till the end for the final look. Thank you so much for watching my video. Kindly remember to give it a thumbs up so it can reach a wider audience. Thank you so much for watching, and from me, it's a bye-bye for now.
Bye bye.